Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use concatenate function to combine text from multiple cells into one cell. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So here you can see that I have these values here, these text here in multiple cells here, and if I wanted to basically combine all of this text into just one cell, then I will use the built-in concatenate function in Microsoft Excel. And how you can do this: so first of all you need to select a cell where you want to appear and combine all of these text here. So I will choose this this cell here, and then you will press enter, and then you will type here concatenate. Okay, so type here concatenate here, and then basically you will give reference to this cell. So this n is written in A1, so A is the column name and 1 is the row. So A1, then B1, then C1, D1, E1 and F1. So first of all you will enter A1, then comma B1, comma C1, then D1, then E1 and then F1, and then you will close the bracket, and then after this you will press enter, and here you can see that you have combined all of this text into this one single cell here. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will meet you in the next video.